I'm using my Apple headphones as a shutter remote to make this stop motion video entirely with my phone. I am animating the drawer opening, and in between each movement, I go and I take a photo with the volume button on those headphones. Now I'm animating everything coming off the nightstand, and I'm unmaking the bed. So I know I'll edit this video in reverse so it looks like the bed makes itself and everything slides onto the nightstand. Here I am editing in the LifeLapse app, literally just adjusting the speed, hitting play, and it puts this video together for me. How amazing. I also want to add a freeze at the end, so I'm making the last frame hold for 3 seconds, playing it again, and it looks great. So now I'm exporting as a 4K video, and here's the final product. I think this turned out so cute. I also added a boomerang so it reverses. Stay tuned for more tutorials.